Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to scan WellCore Creatine QR codes. Verifying your WellCore Creatine is a crucial step to ensure you are consuming a genuine and high-quality product. This quick guide will walk you through the easy process, helping you confirm authenticity in just a few moments. It's all about your peace of mind and getting the real benefits from your supplement. Authenticating your WellCore Creatine is incredibly important. Counterfeit supplements are unfortunately common, and using them can be ineffective or even harmful. By taking a moment to verify, you ensure your product is genuine, free from unwanted fillers, and delivers the pure creatine monohydrate you expect. This step safeguards your health and investment. Scanning your WellCore Creatine is straightforward. First, find the authentication sticker, usually inside the jar or on the packaging. Use your phone's camera or a QR scanner app to scan the code. This will direct you to the official WellVersed website. Next, gently scratch the sticker to uncover the unique, hidden code. Finally, enter this code along with your name and mobile number on the website to complete the verification. After submitting your details, the WellVersed website will display a verification message, confirming your product's authenticity. Remember, each unique code is designed for a single verification. If you face any issues, like the scratch code peeling off or an invalid verification message, immediately contact WellCore customer support. They are there to help ensure you have a genuine product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.